I don't know how it got somehow, but anyway, yeah. So I'll just record this start. Okay. Yeah, so I think I was talking about karta, karm, karan, right? So three things Bhagavan is saying responsible for action. So otherwise, it's kriya, and kriya is happening. Actually, everything is happening. That's what we say, that the dev jo hai, wo is happening. Nobody is doing it. We think we are doing karta hamiti manyate bhagavan ahankar vimudatma, but it's all happening. So जो सन्यासी है, जो साक्षी है, उसके लिए तो सब कुछ happening है. I mean, I'm just accepting whatever is happening. And then Bhagavan says, otherwise karma ban jata hai. You participate. And now he is going to describe the karma which we people understand as a karta. That's why next 6 slok, which will go 23 onwards, he is going to describe. Now we have to assume that it is for us because we are all करता है, हम करते हैं, राइट. तो भगवान इज डिस्क्राइबिंग कि जो करता जब करता है तो कर्म बन जाता है. सो कर्म इज ऑल्सो 3 टाइप्स. अगेन फंडामेंटल 14 चैप्टर. It is based on sattva, rajas and tamas. Everything is driven by that. As long as we are karta. वो साधु सन्यासी की बात छोड़ दीजिए, उसको तो उनको कुछ करना नहीं है. कबीरदास जी का एक दोहा है, तरुवर सरोवर संत जन और बरसता मेह. तरुवर मीन्स पेड़, सरोवर मीन्स द पॉन्ड और लेक, संत जन मीन्स संत जो लोग जो करता नहीं है, जैसा कि, और बरसता में है जो क्लाउड विथ शावर्स. तरुवर सरोवर संत जन और बरसता में. और वो आगे वो लिखते हैं कि जन के कारणे चारों धरते देह. दूसरों के लिए, भले के लिए, लोक कल्याण के लिए देह धरते हैं. Tree blossoms, tree never eats its own fruit, it's just for the others. River has no goal, just to give water. The river doesn't do anything. The cloud comes just for showering, and Sant also. They live for others, Lok Sangraha. So charon dharte they become embodied for others. That is Karta, that is Sakshi. So that's what Bhagavan is saying. But we are all doing. So Arjun भी कर रहा था, तो भगवान ने कहा अब सुनो, करते हो तो फिर तुम्हारा कर्म क्या होता है. So that first 23rd श्लोक, Bhagavan, 3 श्लोक, Bhagavan is going to describe the karma again. Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. That fundamental we have to keep in mind. This is all, everything is driven by that. So Bhagavan is saying, now look, the karma, first karma, 23rd श्लोक. नियतम संग्रहितम
नियतम संग्रहितम
राग द्वेषतः कृतम
रागद्वेषतः कृतम
अफल प्रेप्सुना कर्म
अफलप्रेप्सुना कर्म
यत् सात्विकम उच्यते.
यस्वात्विकम उच्यते. जो कर्म शास्त्र विधि से नियत किया हुआ और कर्तापन के अभिमान से रहित हो तथा फल न चाहने वाले पुरुष द्वारा बिना राग द्वेष के किया गया हो, वह सात्विक कहा जाता है.
An obligatory action executed without attachment, free from like or dislike, and not desirous of fruit is called sattvic.
Yeah, so now he has given exactly all these things he has told in second chapter, right? स्थित प्रज्ञ क्या है और असंगत्व क्या है. Only thing he is just saying that this is driven by the sattvic vritti. Abhi, if I am sattvic, then these are the quality we can see in our karma. What number quality? It is shastra vidiniyat. It is given by shastra. It is approved. Shastra vihit means it is approved karma. For example, like Shastra says, हमारे यहाँ वर्ण व्यवस्था की जो the current context, whatever is your responsibility, that is your karma that time. For example, if I am at work, I am a director or engineer or doctor or teacher. There I have to play that role. But when I get home and I am a father now, I have to play that role immediately. I cannot say, oh, I'm in office, but that's what we make a mistake. I am boss there, I become boss here, and then there is a conflict. So that's where we are. So Bhagavan is saying, and that is Shastra Vidhi. Shastra says, this is the responsibility of father or brother or mother or sister or neighbor. The 10 commandments में यही बोला है उन्होंने. The whole 10 commandments is about कि आपको करना क्या है. When there is a neighbor, you do this. When there is society, exactly. See, that is Shastra. That's what our Shastra says. Simple is Panch Mahayagya. I have repeated many times, and there is. So Panch Mahayagya is assigned by Shastra. Do these 5 things every day. And as long as you're doing those 5 things, that's Sattvic Karma. And we know Panch Mahayagya means Rishi Yagya, Brahma Yagya, Manushya Yagya, पांचों. That is a सात्विक. लेकिन वो होगा तभी जब सात्विक बुद्धि होगी. अदरवाइज वो सबको पता पंच महायज्ञ लिखे हुए हैं घर में, बोर्ड कई घरों में लिखे भी रहते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी रहती है. बट हाउ मेनी मंदिरों में लिखे रहते हैं. वो गीता के श्लोक, एक गाना है बहुत अच्छा पुराना हिंदी मूवी का, ये कैसा सुर मंदिर है जिसमें संगीत नहीं, दीवारों पे गीत लिखे गाने की रीत नहीं. क्या बात है, मंदिरों में श्लोक लिख दिए और फॉलो कोई नहीं करता है. वो गाना ही बोलता है ना, ये कैसा सुर मंदिर है जिसमें संगीत नहीं, दीवारों पे गीत लिखे गाने की रीत नहीं. गा नहीं सकते आप. एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग. तो ये जो शास्त्र में लिखा है उसको फॉलो करो, वो कर सकते हैं तब सात्विक बुद्धि हो. सो घूम फिर के 14 चैप्टर पे आ जाते हैं. So that is first quality. शास्त्र विहित होता है, सात्विक कर्म होता है. Second, he is saying संगरहिता. Now again, very clear in Bhagavad Gita that a lot of people have confusion कि कृष्ण कह रहे हैं कि कर्म में अटैच नहीं होना. No, he is not saying that. He is saying कर्म फल में अटैच नहीं होना है. कर्म में अटैच की बात ही नहीं करी भगवान ने. पता नहीं बहुत सारे ट्रांसलेशन लोगों के. He never said that. माँ कर्म फल हेतु. He says कि don't become the cause of phal. You are not the cause of phal. Dev is the cause of phal. Dev is the cause. You are not. अब हम सोचते हैं मैं कर रहा हूँ. So that's what. So second is कर्तापन से अभिमान. He is just an instrument. भगवान पर अर्जुन को जब, that is a famous श्लोक, right? तस्मात् उत्तिष्ठ यशो लभस्व. Get up, Arjun, and enjoy this after. जत्वा शत्रुन भुक्ष राज्यम समृद्धम. Win the enemies and enjoy, right? Enjoy means people will enjoy too. But मये वेता निहता पूर्वमेव. मैंने इनको पहले ही मार, जिनको मारना था उनको पहले ही मार चुका. मैं मीन्स देव अगेन. एवरीथिंग इज स्क्रिप्टेड. सब हो चुका था पहले. निमित्त मात्रम भव सव्यसाचिन. यू आर जस्ट द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. कोई कहीं करतु નથી આ બધું તો થાય છે. आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. ये सब आपकी कल्पना है कि आप कुछ कर रहे हो. तो भगवान, दैट इज कर्ता. सो सेकंड कंडीशन इज कर्म. ये कर्म की कि इसमें आई एम नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन द रिजल्ट आउटकम. आई एम इन्वॉल्व इन द क्रिया just happening, because I am not karta. I am just given this task, I am doing it. जैसे वो ये जो होता है ना, like the gatekeeper स्टोर में कभी जाइए या एयरपोर्ट पे इमिग्रेशन ऑफिसर, उसको कोई लेना नहीं. उसकी एक ही, इफ यू हैव अ पासपोर्ट इज वैलिड, गेट इन, नॉट गो. दैट्स इट. कोई, देयर इज नो सेपरेट फेवर डिसफेवर. एग्जैक्टली. सो ही हैज नथिंग टू डू विद आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो, कैसे हो. Valid passport, valid visa, in, no, go out. That's why. And then third condition is aphal prepsuna. Same चीज is repeating that the phal में interested नहीं है. Like there is no attachment to the phal. Then arag dveshata. राग और द्वेष. राग और द्वेष बहुत भगवान को भी प्यारे हैं. हमारे पूरे शास्त्र राग द्वेष से भरे हुए हैं. हमारे यहाँ पूरे भजन होते हैं, जिसने राग द्वेष का मादिक जीते सब जगह जान लिया. So rag means likes, dvesh means dislikes. As long as we have likes and dislikes, this karma cannot be sattvic. And this is a wonderful, we all know that. If I have likes and dislikes, if I am doing anything, doesn't matter, I am not able to fulfill my swadharma, and that is not sattvic karma. We all know that. It is not a sattvic karma. We repent, we have guilt, we have pride. Anything which results in either guilt or pride is not sattvic. If I अच्छा हो गया तो oh I did अच्छा, नहीं हुआ अरे I did wrong. And I am not doing anything anyways. Even the mistake doesn't belong to me because I am not doing anything anyways. तो भगवान अर्जुन को, that's what he says. पिछले शो में बोला था कि पापम न निबध्यते. You are not going to do any pap, Arjun. So who is going to bind you? You are just, that's what. So this is a sattvic karma. बट घूम फिर की बात है, सात्विक कर्म में सात्विक बुद्धि होगी तो सात्विक कर्म होगा. सो द अभ्यास इज सात्विक बुद्धि. ऐसा सात्विक बुद्धि के लिए क्या करना है? भगवान ने बताया अभ्यास वैराग्य कीप डूइंग दैट. वो 12th श्लोक, राइट? श्रेयो हि ज्ञानम अभ्यासात् ज्ञानात् ध्यानम विशिष्यते. This is the ladder, 5 steps. Just follow 5 steps. So this is very wonderful definition of सात्विक कर्म. चिन्मयानंद जी बहुत अच्छा समझाते थे. लाइक he says this person who's सात्विक कर्म is कर्ता, कर्तापन का अभाव, not कर्ता, non कर्ता. He's doer but not doing. And he explained somewhere, I read that, right? When you get hurt, whether it is a left leg or right leg, it doesn't matter. You have to treat the same way. कभी लेफ्ट लेग में लगेगी, राइट में लगेगी, you treat the same, right? Both, because there's no difference for you. It's right leg, this finger, that finger. Because you're treating entire body is one. It's not this part or that part. No, because of physiology we say that, but it is just one body. So you treat entire body as my body. Exactly. This person, for this person, everything is one. So there is nothing about likes and dislikes, and that becomes sattvic karma. So that's what the first karma ki. So the purpose of this, I think, this whole ये जो 3 श्लोक हैं, we can analyze this, we can gauge this in our day-to-day life. Beauty of Gita is most of the things in Bhagavad Gita we can judge in everyday life. It is not a philosophy कि किसी ने सुन लिया और कुछ हो गया. We all can. ये कोई भी कर्म करके, अगर पहले जमाने में डायरी लिखते थे, अब तो लिखते नहीं है. The purpose of diary was that कि जर्नल या रात को भी सोने के पहले कि I did this and where does it fit? It fits in sattvic, it fits in rajasic, it fits in tamasic. And by writing that, you will improve. That was the whole purpose of journaling का. तो बहुत पुराना, very old principle, but it was very true. अब तो लोग लिखते नहीं, लिखेंगे रोज डर लगेगा यार क्या लिख रहा हूँ, कौन किसी रावण की डायरी लिख रहा हूँ क्या, मैं अपनी डायरी लिख रहा हूँ. तो ये लिखते नहीं, छोड़ो यार, कौन झंझट में पड़े, क्योंकि ये तो सब रजोगुण तमोगुण से भर जाएगी, तो रहने दो, जाने दो. But that was the purpose. So that's what Bhagavan is saying. So next shlok is going to talk about, we have यत्तु कामे सुना कर्म.
कौन सा?
24th. 24th, yeah.
यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म
साहंकारेण वा पुनः
साहंकारेण वा पुनः
क्रियते बहुल आयासम
क्रियते बहुलायासम
तत् राजसम उदारतम.
तद्राजसमुदाहृतम. परंतु जो कर्म बहुत परिश्रम से युक्त होता है तथा भोगों को चाहने वाले पुरुष द्वारा या अहंकार युक्त पुरुष द्वारा किया जाता है, वह कर्म राजस कहा जाता है.
But action done by one longing for desired object or with egoism, again with much effort, is declared Rajasic.
ये हम लोगों में फिट होता है. ये एकदम 100%. मतलब if we take the श्लोक and do वो जैसे चार्ट वार्ट आते हैं ना कि ये the maximum population is doing this. So this majority of the population in today's world falls into this 24th. तामस में तो भी आएंगे, but 24th एकदम फिट है हम लोगों के लिए. So now he's saying, look at that, the word बहुला आयासम. आयास means effort, प्रयास, जिसको हम लोग प्रयास शब्द भी बोलते हैं. ये आयास means effort, प्रयास means proper effort. So here बहुला आयासम, बहुत एफर्ट लगाना पड़ता है जिस कर्म में. अभी now look, there is a book, very famous book अमेरिका में, अब तो मतलब पहले I read it like 20 years ago. The book says sweat for the small stuff. And the whole book is about that, don't sweat for the small stuff. And wonderful, बहुत अच्छे explanation में उसमें book में, we sweat for small stuff. And because छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए बड़ा effort लगाते हैं, and we sweat like that. जो नहीं होना था, that's what he's saying, बहुला आयासम, बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ती है. जो जिस कर्म में बहुत मेहनत है वो राजसिक है. And we all know that we call a word called calling. If something is my calling, I'll forget that there is an effort. I'll just do it. I enjoy that. The moment it is an effort, देयर इज अ, सो दैट्स व्हाट भगवान सिंह, बहुत परिश्रम करना पड़ता है। तो जब भी हमें लगे कि आई एम पुटिंग लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इन दिस कर्म, देयर इज अ रजस वर्किंग बिहाइंड द सीन, रजोगुण काम कर रहा है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज वी ऑल नो दैट, राइट? द थिंग आई लव भगत सिंह या जो भी लोग होते हैं, जो पेट्रियोटिक पीपल होते हैं, अभी भी होते हैं, they have no problem giving of life for the cause. Absolutely no. There's no fear of death because there is a calling. There's no parishram. Like Bhagat Singh का एग्जाम्पल इसलिए देते हैं कि he was very young and it was a very like a personality like that. 23-year-old, he said that's fine. I regret I have one life. I had multiple life. I would have given 4 life for Bharat Mata. Effortless, because there is a सात्विक भाव बिहाइंड दैट। राजसिक भाव है तो परिश्रम होगा बहुत। द सेकंड कंडीशन, कामेप सुना, फल चाहने वाला, वो तो एकदम रिवर्स हो गया कि दिस पर्सन इज वर्किंग फॉर द रिजल्ट, एंड वी ऑल मोस्ट ऑफ अस फॉल इन दिस कैटेगरी। बड़ा मुश्किल है, गीता पढ़ना आसान है, लेकिन ये बड़ा मुश्किल है कि यार कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो कैसे काम करेंगे, इट्स लाइक दैट। सो दैट्स व्हाट कामेप सुना, फल की इच्छा ना हो, कर्म तो करें। How we'll get that, overcome the फल की इच्छा? We have to understand the principle of देव, कि मेरे हाथ में है ही नहीं, वो तो कोई और ही वो देने वाला फल। ये समझना ही is the आत्मज्ञान और ब्रह्म ज्ञान, whatever we give the name। लेकिन वो we do that, right? That's a problem, because we feel that, and then स अहंकारेण, अहंकार युक्त, I am doing। There is a श्लोक, if third chapter का श्लोक है 5th, I think it is 5th, yeah। Seventh, 7, sorry, yeah, 27, not 7, third chapter 27। See, भगवान at that time itself say, प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणेः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ता अहमिति मन्यते। He is saying गुणेः कर्माणि, सारे कर्म सत्व रजो गुण के द्वारा हो रहे हैं, एंड प्रकृति क्रियमाणानि, प्रकृति के जो गुण हैं वो सारे कर्म करा रहे हैं। आपको अगर सत्व गुण ज्यादा है तो आपके कर्म सत्व हो जाएंगे, रजोगुण ज्यादा है तो आप पीछे भागते रहेंगे, स्वेटिंग फॉर स्मॉल थिंग्स, रनिंग अराउंड, और तमोगुण पे भी आए नहीं। एंड भगवान से अहंकार विमूढ़ आत्मा कर्ता अहमिति मन्यते, वो सोचता मैं कर रहा हूँ, और तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, गुण करा रहे हैं। तो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन गुण rather than working on the कर्म। सो दैट्स व्हाट ही इज सेइंग इस श्लोक में, कि ये जो व्यक्ति है ये बोलता मैं कर रहा हूँ, अहंकार, एंड दैट तत् राजसम उदाहरत, ऐसा कर्म जो है वो राजस कहा गया। सो इसमें मेन चीज तो वही है, आयास, कि द मोमेंट आई फील देयर इज एन एफर्ट रिक्वायर्ड, दैट मीन रजोगुण इज prominent, because when I take the burden, I am the boss, I am doing this, the results belong to me, and then we all know that, I mean we तो हम लोग सभी जानते हैं, जो भी थोड़े रिटायर होगा उन लोगों को थोड़ा कम प्रेशर होगा, बट जो जॉब में उनको तो अभी पूरा वैसा का वैसा ही, राइट? So but we know, everybody knows this is the reason, and the reason is rajoguna। So if we, even if in the job, like there are stories also, many of stories about these things, like Janak ki, जनक के महल में आग लग रही, he said that's okay, लग रही तो, because he said yeah ठीक है, क्या उसमें लग रही तो लग रही, how many, what, so what, like that। But that rajogun doesn't allow us to do that, so we all fall into rajogun, means ego, again result means प्रयास ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा, and then we are sweating for, so that story is pretty good। So there was a teacher, philosophy का, so when a student went to him and कोई गिफ्ट देते होंगे उनको, तो he had a very wonderful cups of china, beautiful cups, so they were drinking tea, और वो बात करते करते he hit something, so the edge of the cup got the crack, right? तो थोड़ा क्रैक हो गया, So that discussion was going like this, बड़ा intense discussion था, और वो टीचर को तो ध्यान भी नहीं रहा क्योंकि टीचर है, वो बोला स्टूडेंट का ध्यान बिगड़ गया, उसने बोला कि सर एक मिनट होल्ड ऑन, गिव मी अ पॉज, क्या हुआ, वो आपका कप क्रैक हो गया है, it's such a beautiful crack, so sad that it, and teacher said that's the teaching, now you got to learn. Yeah, I'm enjoying the tea, not the cup. If it is crack, you got your focus on the crack, and I'm enjoying the tea. That's what he said we do in life. Enjoy the life. There was a wonderful book. I'm sure everybody has read that. If not, we should read that, right? The Last Lecture. Right? With a professor in CMU, he gave the last lecture. Richie Ponti. Yeah. So he died of cancer, and he gave the last lecture in CMU. He was professor there, right? In that book, he mentioned in one page, he said we had a old Honda card something, and one day, old one, a professor there. So we were going and somebody scratched our car in parking lot. My wife was very upset. She said, "Oh, look at, there is a scratch." And I said, "It's just a scratch on the car. That's it." Now that scratch comes on my consciousness. That's what professor is saying. We are enjoying the tea and you are looking at the crack. Exactly. So that's what Bhagavan is saying. Rajogun does that. I'm interested in the cup, quality of the cup and the beauty of the cup. Such an expensive cup got broken. I forgot to enjoy the tea. Exactly, that's what Bhagavan is saying. कि मनुष्य जीवन मिला है, बड़े भाग्य मानुष तन पावा, सुर दुर्लभ सद ग्रंथ न गावा. देवता लोग बोलते हैं कि मनुष्य को कितना अच्छा जन्म मिला कि वो पूजा कर सकता है, प्रार्थना कर सकता है, भगवान का नाम ले. हमें तो वो भी नहीं, देवता लोगों को, that they cannot take the human form to do this thing. So that's why they say बड़े भाग्य मानुष तन पावा सुर दुर्लभ. इतना अच्छा भाग्य मिला था हमने, we have lost that life in Rajogun. Instead of enjoying the life, we are looking for the defects and likes and dislikes basically. So that's what he's saying. That is Rajas. जब भी ये कर्म हो, तो we need to see that there's a Rajogun working behind. But if Rajogun is less, then obviously this will not happen. Oh, it's okay. Cup टूट गया, what? So what? It's like that. Right? Okay, so we'll maybe a few minutes. We'll go to tamas karma also last. Anubandham kshayam hinsam.
अनुबंधम क्षयम हिंसा
Anaveksha cha paurusham.
अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषम
Mohadarabhyate karma.
मोहादारभ्यते कर्म
Yattamasam uchyate.
यत्तामसमुच्यते. जो कर्म परिणाम, हानि, हिंसा और सामर्थ्य को न विचार कर केवल अज्ञान से आरंभ किया जाता है, वह तामस कहा जाता है.
An action undertaken from delusion, regardless of the consequence, loss, injury, and ability, is called tamasic.
See, we fall in this category too. So दुर्योधन के पास जब भगवान मैसेज लेके गए थे कि भाई छोड़ दो ये धर्म का फॉलो करो, तो बड़ा फेमस श्लोक भी ऑल नो दैट. दुर्योधन says कि आई अंडरस्टैंड धर्म आल्सो, लाइक वो भी एजुकेटेड था, ही वेंट टू द सेम स्कूल वेयर युधिष्ठिर, एंड ही सेज जानामि धर्मम न च मे प्रवृत्ति. I know what dharma is, what is right, but my pravritti, I don't feel inclined toward dharma. And janami adharmam, I know what is adharma. Nachame nivritti, my tendency doesn't allow me to get away from that. Wrong. That is tamas. Because this person has no vision of, although 700 homes got burned in Washington, like state, Seattle ke paas mein. And the guy crazy, they arrested a crazy guy. He got insane one day and he put fire in that one, and there are 700 homes. And they arrested the guy yesterday itself. The fire is still going. And he was a crazy guy. He, पता नहीं इसके दिमाग में क्या है, उसने, he put fire in one tree and just the colony, like the whole subdivision, have been destroyed. Because this person under moha में delusion. And it is not always, we should not always say the people who are mental, we are all mentally retarded somewhere. क्रोधात भवति सम्मोहात स्मृति विभ्रम. बड़ा प्यारा भगवान है, जब भी क्रोध आया, you are mental case. Exactly. इट्स नॉट कि वो कोई मेंटल हॉस्पिटल वाले ही सब है हम सब. द मोमेंट यू हैव क्रोध, भगवान ने एकदम क्लियर, क्रोधात भवति सम्मोह. द मोमेंट यू आर एंग्री, you are in some more your mental problem. And if you do wrong, so this guy got angry, he just put the fire, and now 700 homes are burning. Same thing, that's what he's saying, the अनवेक्ष न विचार कर, क्योंकि क्रोध में विचार बंद हो जाता है. आप लोग तो कोई डॉक्टर है, जानते हैं, people have done this research also, right? Two emotions cannot stay in. Chitu bhai का तो comment सही रहा. Chitu bhai he is expert in that area, right? So no two emotions can stay. We all know that. दोनों काम नहीं हो सकते. I cannot be angry, I cannot love someone. It's not possible. It is human mind. एक चीज हो सकती है. We know that. That's why computer में भी बोलते हैं कि we say multiprocessor. Those who are in computer, I have gone through computer science in education. So we say multiprocessor, but there is no multiprocess. At the end, there is one process. One process goes away, second process comes. We feel it is a multiprocessor. It's one process. Same thing. We feel I have 10 emotions. No, one at a time. If I am krodh, I am krodhi. That's it. I am not a lover that time. Absolutely no. That's what psychology, that's what Bhagavan is saying. So tamas that's a problem. So tamas is a very dangerous. Rajas also, but tamas is very dangerous because it puts us in delusion. And then we can do like, then I don't have wisdom of consequences. It may harm me, it may harm others. And that's what we see this world. Whole war and all these religious fights. These people don't understand what you're harming yourself, you're harming innocent people. That's what he's saying. Anubandham hinsam paurusham. Hinsa. You are responsible for the violence. It is true. Fact, actually, this is good. So this is, Bhagavan says, mohat. And the bottom line is moh, delusion. And all the vikar, the negative emotions, they are basically create delusion. And we make mistakes in that. And that Bhagavan says, that is tamas. वो जो कर्म है, वो तामस है. And actually, it is very true. We all see on those results everywhere. It happens. There was a movie, and we'll stop it. Do our Dark Knight, Joker, very famous role like Heath Ledger. उस मूवी का मुझे एक सीन, I watched that movie for a reason कि क्या है उसमें. I don't enjoy those things, but there is one scene which that they looted a bank, and there was a whole going like the pile of dollar bills. And everybody get their share. So his share was such a big pile. And he just brings the lighter and start burning. He said, well, what are you doing? We looted a bank and you're burning the dollar bill? He said, I'm like a mad dog. I have no purpose. The dog has no, car ke piche daudta jata hai, car ruk jati hai, wapas aa jata hai. Dog has no purpose running behind the car. That's what we said, dog is mad. So he says, I'm a mad dog. I can do anything. Tamas. I mean, we can think that we all do that, right? Whenever there is a vikar, that's what we all do. So that's what I think. So these three type of karma will continue. Next time we'll meet with karta. Now 3 types of karta, Bhagavan is saying. Now he is giving the definition of karma. Next time he'll definition of the doer, jo ye karta hai, tamas karta. So we'll see next time. But anyway, it's the same thing. But going back to these teachings sometimes look very intimidating, that he ऐसा होता ना कि जैसे सर्जरी होती है तो डर लगता है कि, but this is a psychological surgery भगवान is doing. हमारा ही consciousness में दिखा रहे हैं कि this is what you have. But at the same time, Bhagwan Krishna is a wonderful teacher. He has already said that with 12th shlok mein, कि everybody has a solution. It's not that he's describing the problem. Abhyas and vairagya. There is no other way. Abhyas किसका? Simple is that भगवान अर्जुन ने पूछा, he says भगवान से युद्धश्च माम अनुस्मर. He says युद्ध भी कर और मेरा नाम भी जपता रहे. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Exactly he's saying कि आप कर्म करते और मेरा नाम जपते रहो. And वैराग्य की मेरी अपनी परिभाषा बहुत सारी है, बट मैंने जो अपनी लिखी मेरे नोट्स में, and I love that and I enjoy that. I feel that as long as I am not in past, I am not in future, I'm in present moment, that is the vairagya. That's it. Because when I'm in present moment, I have no likes and dislikes. I'm just enjoying the present moment. And that is exactly vairagya. That's what Bhagavan is saying. This time you just do your sadharma. You're not worried about the consequences कि क्या होगा, because you're doing स्वधर्म. Doesn't matter क्या होगा. You just enjoy your स्वधर्म. Stay in the present moment. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाव है कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी, जो है समा कल हो ना हो, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. This is the moment. Okay, so that's what Bhagwan is saying, that sadhan always Bhagwan tells. He'll tell at the end also, but I just, okay, so let's very quickly sit in dhyan. Same again now we get more clarity. पांच तत्व, पांच इंद्रिय, मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार, that is the external part of me. इसके पीछे साक्षी चैतन्य. If these all things shut down, then reflection of the Sakshi Chaitanya comes on my mind. And that is Atma Gyan. That is people call enlightenment, right? That's what we do that. Oh. Keep the focus on the tip of the nostril and bring image of Prithvi Tattva. And Prithvi Tattva is the grossest manifestation of Bhagwan himself, divinity, Dev, whatever we call it. The next element is Jal. So keep the focus on the tip of the tongue and bring image of Jal Tattva. Fountain, river, anything. Shift focus to the eyes, and next element is Prakash or energy, Urja. So Bhagwan Surya. Keep the focus on eyes and bring image of Surya Bhagwan. The next element is Vayu. We cannot see Vayu, we cannot touch Vayu, we can feel, right? So keep the focus on the skin. Skin, we can feel the Vayu. And you can feel the Vayu. So summertime, I go sit outside, and these days are beautiful. There is a wind. Just sit outside and watch the leaves blowing or the grass blowing, and see that the same Vayu on mine, and we can feel that Vayu. Oh, it's a wonderful feeling, right? And the next element is Akash. We cannot feel, we cannot see Akash, only thing sound travels. So we hear some sound through ear, keep the focus on ear. And when hear sound, that means that there is a space around me, there's a space inside, all those elements, Panchatattva, are inside me, but I'm not those five elements. I'm not these five senses which interact with those five elements. I'm not the mind behind this. So when these senses shut down, mind slowly quietens. At this time, we can observe the mind. And there could be some lingering thoughts, but there are moments when there is no thought. So there is nothing, we say the language observing, but you can feel that at this time, there is a reflection of that Sakshi Chaitanya on the mind. And that is called, we call realization. I mean, oh, I realize that this body mind realize that, oh, I am not this body mind, I am that Sakshi Chaitanya which is reflecting on this mind. Like sun reflecting on moon. Oh, moon reflects sun's light. That's, you can say other way also. So I am not this body, I am the mind, I am not five elements, I am that Sakshi Chaitanya. And then Bhagavan says in the 6th chapter, Yukta Asit Matpara. In this engaged state, Yukta means engaged, this state, Matpara, I am the ultimate goal. Yukta Asit Matpara. Asit means stay in that as long as possible. And our rishis have crossed one transcendent, and they say Tattvamasi, you are that. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Holy Krishna Kanhaiya Lal ki Jai. Yeah, so we will continue with Karta next time, right?